Once upon a time, there was this young prince.
Once upon a time, I was humping in the Delta.
Is this your room?
Once upon a time.
Metro City? Wow! I used to work there once upon a time.
Really?
Was he working for Gemini?
Once upon a time.
Once upon a time, someone decided that we were the losers.
Because once upon a time I loved politics and I want to do some good.
Once upon a time there was a princess and she had a lot of beautiful dresses.
Once upon a time, there was a girl called Ella.
Once upon a time, there was a king who built a castle. His name was Hugh Crane.
Once upon a time, I was a hell of an engineer.
Once upon a time, I was falling in love. Now I'm only falling apart.
I'd like to tell you a little story. Once upon a time, there was a man with a wooden leg.
Once upon a time, there were two super cops called Daddy and Marcus, who were very good at getting bad guys.
Once upon a time, there was a big fat pink idiot who went to sleep. The end!
Nice try, but it's gonna take more than that
to... Once upon a time, there was a little prince who lived on a planet that was scarcely bigger than himself, and who had need of a friend.
Once upon a time, there was a daddy and a mummy named the Daddy and the Mummy. They found a cute little baby and called it the Cute Little Baby.